Charlie Golf Victor Papa Foxtrot, contact Ottawa Tower now, 120.1, goodbye.
Golf Victor Papa Foxtrot.
Bravo Foxtrot Romeo, descend 3,100, advise when cancelling the IFR.
Descending 3,100, Bravo Fox Romeo, and we will advise cancelling IFR.
Sierra Echo Lima, climb 4,000, expect radar vector to runway 25.
Echo Lima, climb 4,000, expect radar vector to runway 25.
Sierra Echo Lima, turn right, getting 0, correction 100.
Right, 100. Stop Echo.
And Bravo Foxtrot Romeo, are you able to cancel the IFR now? I can keep the search and rescue open for you.
Roger that, we cancel IFR now and we stay over downtown at 3,100 and later on we call you back for descending down to Rockcliffe.
Bravo Foxtrot Romeo, roger, maintain 3,100 for now for the city tour because of restricted airspace at 3,000. Would you like to overfly the downtown area?
Yeah, that would be nice, and we'll remain 3,100 feet.
Bravo Foxtrot Romeo, roger, you may turn right to overfly the downtown area and contact Ottawa Tower now, 120.1, 20.1. And I will wait for your time down by telephone on the ground in Rockcliffe.
Roger that, we contact the tower on the 120.10 and we call you back on the ground and we are clear to the right turn over the Ottawa City at 3,100.
Bravo Foxtrot Romeo, roger, and Ottawa altimeter 2995.
2995, Bravo Fox Romeo.
Sierra Echo Lima, turn right, getting...
To join a right hand down 122 number 2000, will you advise aircraft Mike?
Ottawa Tower, Golf Bravo Fox Romeo, 3,100 feet over the city for sightseeing tour.
Golf Bravo Fox Romeo, Ottawa Tower, altimeter is 299.5, city tour is approved, VFR at all times. And advise me when you're ready to head to Rockcliffe.
3,100 all time and we'll advise when we go to Rockcliffe. Bravo Fox Romeo.